Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on installing PostgreSQL on Windows. And in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to install and configure PostgreSQL on a Windows operating system. So let's get the Postgre installation done. Let's download the PostgreSQL from the official Postgres website. So open your favorite browser and type Postgres and go to the official website of PostgreSQL. Here, as you can see, while recording this video, the latest version of PostgreSQL is 17.2, and you can also find the release notes of the earlier versions over here. So we'll click over download, and then in this tutorial, we are focusing over the Windows installation. So we'll click over Windows and then click over download the installer. And here you can find the earlier version as well as the latest version of the PostgreSQL. So we will download the latest version of Postgres, which is 17.2, and click over here. And as it says, your download should begin in a few seconds, and it has already started. It is almost a 300 MB file, and now the file is downloaded. Let's go. So this is your installer. So this is your setup wizard. We'll click on next. And this will be the installation directory where the Postgres will be installed. As you can see, there's no need for changing this directory. So your Postgres will be installed in the C drive, program files, PostgreSQL, and followed by the latest version, whichever one you are downloading. And these will be the four components that will be downloaded along with the PostgreSQL server. That will be pgAdmin 4, the stack builder, and the command line tools. And this will be the data directory where the data will be stored. That will be under the PostgreSQL /17/data. So here we have to provide the password for the super user. So I'll be keeping a simple password here. You have to retype the password, and this will be the port over which the Postgres will be running. So the default port is 5432, and let's keep it as simple. So not going to change this. And don't be terrified here, just you have to choose the language in which you will be operating. So for me, my native language is English, so I'll be selecting English here, and these are the settings that will be used for the installation. You can read them or you can just click next. As you can see, the Postgre installation is now completed, and we'll click over finish, and we don't want to launch the stack builder, it exists. Now I'll navigate you to open the PostgreSQL. So we'll go to the start button. In the all section, you'll find the folder for Postgres. This is the PostgreSQL 17, which is the latest version. Here you will see you have the application stack builder, the installation note, the pgAdmin 4, the documentations, release notes, and the SQL shell. So the pgAdmin 4 is the user interface for PostgreSQL. So I'll open it for you. So this is the pgAdmin. pgAdmin is a user interface for administrating the whole PostgreSQL. Once you will click over server, you have to enter the password. So now you can see the database is here, and this is the default database that has been created by Postgres with the name Postgres. And this is your pgAdmin. And you also get, yes, I want to quit the application, and you also get the command line tool here, which you can find at the same place where you have earlier gone to find the pgAdmin. So this is the SQL shell, pSQL. So this is your command line interface. This server, your database, which is Postgres, port that it will be running on, the username, and the password. So you have to enter the password. Once you have entered the password, now you are into the Postgres SQL command line interface. We can also start, stop, and restart the PostgreSQL using the Windows Run app. Let me show you. Go to the Windows Start button, type run, and here type services.msc. Once you click OK, we'll get to this window. Here you have to search for Postgres. So this is your PostgreSQL. And from here, you can stop the service, pause the service, and restart the service. So that's all for today's tutorial.